Tired of spending ages individually uploading each receipt to Expensify? You're not alone. We've all been there, mountains of receipts piling up after a business trip, each one needing its own tedious upload. But fear not, fellow travelers. Today, we're diving deep into the world of batch uploading receipts in Expensify. We'll show you the easiest ways to get those receipts processed quickly and efficiently so you can get back to more important things, like enjoying that well-deserved post-trip relaxation. Step-by-step guide. Now, let's get down to business. Here are the primary methods for uploading multiple receipts to Expensify. The drag and drop method. This is arguably the simplest. Navigate to the Reports tab within your Expensify account. Locate the Add Expense button. Simply drag and drop a pile of receipts directly onto this button. Expensify will intelligently attempt to separate individual receipts from the group. Review the separated receipts and make any necessary adjustments. The Choose File method. Again, head to the Reports tab and click Add Expense. Instead of dragging, click Choose File. Select the folder containing your receipts. You can select multiple receipts at once. Expensify will then process them similarly to the drag and drop method. Mobile App Magic. The Expensify mobile app offers convenient features for batch uploading. Utilize the camera to snap multiple receipts in a single go. The app often uses image recognition to automatically extract expense data like date, vendor, and amount. Review and edit the information as needed. The SmartScan Power-Up. For truly streamlined processing, consider using the SmartScan feature if available in your plan. This AI-powered tool can automatically extract data from receipts with incredible accuracy. Simply upload your receipts, and SmartScan does the heavy lifting, saving you valuable time. Tips for success. Organize your receipts. Before uploading, create a well-organized folder on your computer or device. This makes selecting and uploading multiple receipts much easier. Ensure clear images. Take photos of your receipts in good lighting to ensure the text is easily readable. Review and edit. Always double-check the information extracted by Expensify. Utilize Expensify's features. Explore other features like custom fields, expense categories, and automated rules to further streamline your expense reporting. With these methods and tips, you'll be a receipt uploading pro in no time. No more tedious individual uploads. Now you can spend your time more productively, whether it's closing that important deal or simply enjoying a well-deserved break. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.